So what's up, guys? What it do? It is your girl Tay coming to you live from New York City, y'all. I wanted to make this quick. I wanted to make this quick video. Just to show you guys the testimonials that are coming in, from these awesome and amazing products, people's results. I mean, it's just amazing to see that people finally got their hands on something that's actually working for them, that makes them feel good, and that's helping them reach their goals, and also helping them make some money. So I want you guys to check out these transformations, y'all. And just take a look at this video, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. And it's 2020, y'all. Let's get healthy and let's get fit. So I'm gonna show you guys these testimonials, and just maybe you could relate to some of these pictures you'll see. Maybe you could relate to some of these people testimonials, and if you can, then you're at the right place, you're at the right video. All you gotta do is give it a try, y'all. I mean, I don't want to sound pushy to sell you anything. I'm just excited because I have something in my hands that actually works, that's actually helping people, and I just want to share it. So that's all I'm doing, is really just sharing with you guys. So check out these testimonials. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, like I said, drop it down below. Subscribe, hit that bell button, and like this video so you can be tuned for every time I upload a new video, guys. So here you go, and see you guys soon. Like my hair? I'm not big on updos, but this will pass. But anyway, check this out.